Unbolt that side just so we can only have to do one side then.
Alright, so don't look, guys, because she's naked. Yep, we took the 420 out of the golf cart in like 10 minutes.
Yep.
That's what was cool about that design, really. 8 bolts and the whole thing came out. So we're trying to beef her up a little bit because every time you hit the throttle, she'd sway. We got a little bit more reinforcements here.
Oh, can I see that plate?
So we're gonna try to bolt her up better. We ain't gonna film much of it because we're just trying to bust it out. But I just thought I'd give y'all a sneak peek. Yeah, what's wrong with that? 420 got torque. I should do a live stream right now. Screw this crap. I'm pretty sure I've already done a little video of what's going on, but we're redesigning the framing on the 420 golf cart. So I'll try to explain it to you in case you haven't seen the first video. The leaf springs used to go where these are now. Those are just sitting in the shackles. See there? Bolted right there. We got it bolted in the front where the front shock leaf springs went, and we got it same in the back. So everything is mounted to those 4 points. We then welded our axle to these, and yeah, that was it. And then we had these cheapo things as motor supports. That's what was holding the motor up. But now we're going to go to these big square blocks because they're just stronger. In the front, we got 2 bolts in it because it actually lined up, but we're still going to weld it. It's just sitting there now. In the back, we haven't done anything, but we're going to weld it too. So that's all going to be welded together. And this whole system will still come out just by taking out those 4 bolts and the leaf springs, and the engine, the axle, and everything will drop right out. But this golf cart was electric at one time. It had, what, 8 batteries or 6?
6.
It had 6 batteries, and it had a big electric engine right here attached to, you know, the axle with all the hoopla on it. And he took all that stuff out, and we built it into what it is now. But yeah, we're trying to make it stronger. And right now she's sitting on the ground. She's got a 40 series sitting on it. Look how big and beefy that bad boy is. Got a new tire on the mini bike. Still waiting on a wheel bearing for that. I'm working on that in the garage. I still got to order a sprocket for this. That thing works, but I got to do a little bit of tinkering with it. But right now I'm welding these supports in here so we got something more to weld to when we put that in there on top. You'll see. I'll try to show it to you. It's gonna be getting dark soon, but we'll do what we can do. I got an idea. Yeah, we're getting there. Get out the way, Johnny.
I got it.
It's getting dark though, folks. He's cleaning it up so I can weld it. Just get what you can, and I can probably make it work. Yeah. Where'd the motor plate go? Oh. Those are ugly. Those look good, but you can't really see them. Those ain't too bad.
Ooh.
Those didn't come out bad. Those were some of my best ones. So now I gotta weld that in. And then we're gonna weld this to that. So let me get to work. No.
Bolt like that?
Just the ones I gave you is what I had. So it's getting dark, we're running out of time. But the motor is somewhat going back in. We gotta get it mocked up. But I have welded these blocks in here now all the way around. Some welds I'm proud of, some I'm not. These ones I'm pretty proud of. But you know I can edit anything out I want, right?
You got a set of pliers?
What kind of pliers?
Just regular pliers.
We are rocking into the night here, and literally we have welds on the back half of the engine plate now. It's dark out, so now I have to put welds I know you guys can't see, but I gotta put welds across the front end, and then I'm gonna go underneath and do the same thing. And he'll have 4 long beads holding that baby on there. Look how good Bill's welder's doing. Man, that thing's a beast, man. That little Harbor Freight 10-year-old welder with some good welding wire in it. But hopefully we'll have her going today. She's sitting nice and even in there now, nice and level and straight, ready for some torque. You're gonna blow that thing up. There goes Johnny. He's got his trailer hooked up. Johnny's going home.
Sounds like he hit something.
Jesus. That's the best view I can give you guys right now. This is going to be on a video anyway.
Eventually this piece of wood will not be wood anymore. We'll put an actual battery bracket in there.
Her first 2-wheel on purpose. Alright, make sure she goes. We're on? We're on. Alright, here we go. Hit my head already. Oh, dang it. One thing that is about right here is I'm right on the hole. So I'm at stop and start. That's in the hole. Good. Alright folks, she is welded to bejesus and back. There's more weld on there than there is aluminum on the whole cart. But we're bolting her back down. Got throttle and stuff to still hook up, battery. He's hooking the chain up now, so now we got to tighten it up and bolt her down. And she's going to be ready to go. I'll try to get a quick clip. It's going to be dark though. We'll see. Everyone's watching to see what we will do. And we have got the body on, the engine mounted throttle hooked up, the battery hooked back up, the backrest hooked back up, and yeah, all he's got to do is throw the seat on there and he's out of here. But we're going to try to film a ride even though it's going to be dark. I'm sure he'll come back tomorrow and let me touch up some welds and get a daytime ride. See you then.
It is.
It's a mess in here because we're running around like madmen. You think it's good? Yeah, you got it pretty tight. Is it still loose? Yeah, as long as it's returning.
Yeah.
Oh God, here we go. I smell fuel. Ah, that's nice.
Holy crap. Yeah. That's it right away.
Oh, she's cold, bro.
Yeah.
She's still cold. It's cold right now. Damn it. It's weird how it does. It jumped the tube. Holy crap, it's cold.
Oh yeah, it feels tight back there though.
Huh?
It feels tighter back there.
You think so?
Like before going over the bumps, it would shake you a lot more.
Yeah. Hell yeah, run me home. We'll shut her down. See you tomorrow night. Look, this wasn't us. Somebody tore the road up for once and it wasn't us. Oh, that torque, yeah. Definitely cold.
Yeah. So I had to get a sweater.
Have.
Kind of looks like it. Yeah.
Ooh, it's chilly out for Florida. It has got the torque. Made it.
Oh yeah, racers a hell of a lot better too.
Are they? Everything looks solid. Yep, she is good to go for a little bit. I'm about to shut down the shop. She's a mess. Gotta get my cart, my three-wheeler back in there. We'll see what happens next. I still gotta put this thing back together too. I gotta wait on the CB boots. I should get them done tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see. The next day for a tire? Yeah. We're about to go for a ride on the golf cart. Yeah. The gas tank about fell off. Oh Lord. He done broke something. No way that thing's still moving. Insane. We did some adjusting on the golf cart, and it's gonna be another day before we get a daylight ride. Look at that beautiful beam footage. But Ryan and the 420 golf cart, Trevor, are doing a race right now. So let's see what happens. We know Trevor will get him off the start, but Ryan might come around him. So we'll see. Here they come. The headlights is the 420 golf cart. Ryan is invisible.
Oh, I beg you.
Oh, the 420 golf cart's got it. Ryan's coming around. He's trying, bro.
I can't believe the 420 got whipped.
Dude, it was close. Like, he was coming.
All you gotta do is get the right belt.
Yeah.